Big ass thing. Shush. How many just once about fair? About rinse? About jolly once?
Once.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Mediaka.
Dry it out.
Oh, okay. So we rinse the rice off once, pour the excess water out, and then we're gonna let the rice dry.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. Warm. Somewhere. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay.
Back for. Okay. All right.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, woman. Yeah, pan me. Yeah, wanna. Yeah, wanna.
Okay. Yeah. So you're straining the water off, yeah? Newman just will take no off. So I guess you guys just strain the water. Strain the water off. So you do is the excess water you had, and you just pour it off, you put it in there, and then whatever remaining water you have, just use a strainer, strain it off, and I guess separate it. So and then just fuel pelka with me, could not dry even on that. So you don't want to put too much rice in each one. So you just want to kind of even and do it so it's like a nice flat layer. Just make sure you rinse it off thoroughly.
Let go.
We're gonna let the sun dry this out, guys. Right? Nice, even layered. So we're gonna come back in a couple hours, guys. The rice is rinsed. We letting the sun do its job and dry the rice out. So they told us come back in about 2-3 hours. Come back in like 2-3 hours so we can get all the other ingredients incorporated. All right. So we see in a little bit. You wanna be on there? I got you. You gonna wave? Wave to the camera. They say, That's it. So like literally really smooth. Really smooth. So this the rice that we had, they just had it what is it called?
Blended.
They had it blended. So it got blended.
Yeah.
Or
they milled it.
Or they milled it. They milled the rice and it's nice and smooth now, like a powdery consistency. Now they're gonna add all the other ingredients to it. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. So that's rice water right there.
Yeah, that's rice water.
Yeah, that's rice water, and then that's the rice that's been through the mill. Okay. It just said just nuke it. Okay. And that's just guys. She got. Yeah. Cold. New and bed cold. Bed J hot.
Yeah, normal water. Then nuke it.
Okay. Okay.
Dried chili.
So this is the grounded stone right here. We have the dried chilies being grounded. Oh yeah, there's a lot of work goes through this, man. A lot of work. So we're gonna grind all the ingredients up, then we're gonna add it to the main attraction. We have the ginger right there. We just give it a rinse off. And then the same process gonna happen in grinding stone. Alright guys, so this is what the finished product look like once it's the stone. Once it's been grounded, you have the shallots, the pepper, and then the gingers right there. Yes. And you're gonna go to the next step. Let's go. Yeah. Thank you. We're gonna add all the onions. We're gonna add all the onions to it. And some of the ginger. Okay. So just add a little salt water to it. Examine.
Yeah, but that'll be tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay, we're gonna add the.
There's some pretty grown-up people out here.
You said grown-up people out here?
Really grown. Like old ladies.
The masa is made and prepped. We're coming back tomorrow to fry them. Hey, make sure y'all watch it to the end. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. This is subscribe to my channel, right?
Yeah, subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel, goddammit! Ah!
Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
ChefBiz.
YouTube ChefBiz. Period.
Ready to be my wife. I like how you book smart, baby. You can cook and I'll clean up, baby. No stress and the sex is wavy. The way I'm in it, we gon' have a baby.